Exploride is a social and a business utility website for content publishing and social and professional networking. The website is free for all users. Exploride's content is divided over many sections, all accessible from the homepage. The sections are Business Directory for businesses, institutions, and professionals, local events like entertainment and social events, or trade and professional events, general classifieds, buy and sell general items, autos classifieds, buy and sell vehicles and related items. There's a real estate and housing section. Those are listings to buy, sell, rent, and share property. Employment section, jobs by employers, and resumes posted by job seekers. Community flyers, those are local postings in different categories. There's blogs with optional commentary. And finally, shared links, that is social bookmarking. The website uses the same design in the way information is searched and displayed throughout all of the different sections. Each section has a default search page that displays the search result, and each listing in a search result links to a rich media detailed web page specifically for that listing. Like for example, when someone does a search for job candidates in the resume section, each listing in the search result links to a detailed web page that displays a resume or a CV of a job candidate. Search and filtering of listings has 5 components: categories, criteria search, keyword search, tag cloud filter, and city filter. Information is divided into categories which differ from section to section. Here in the events section, for example, there are categories like live music or exhibitions and conventions, while in the property section we have houses for sale or roommates as categories. Keyword search queries the description of listings. There's also criteria search, which is different from section to section. Tag cloud filtering and city filtering from a drop-down box. More on that later in this video. All 5 search and filter areas, categories, criteria, keywords, tags, and cities, combine to provide a powerful and effective search methodology. The search result links to a detailed web page, like for example, a web page for a property listing, or a detail of an autos listing, or a company profile. The rich media web page each listing links to can optionally contain formatted text, images, video, a chat widget, and Google mapping to tell people about your location. You can also provide a way for people to anonymously contact you, the listing source, through a message forwarded to your email. Besides publishing content, users create individual profiles that could be either of a social or professional nature. The purpose of a social profile is to meet people as in any other social network on the internet today. And like those networks, you can communicate through groups and profile walls. You can create contacts and chat through your profile. And you can also create rich media custom pages or sections that define who you are. Likewise, in a professional profile, you could create custom sections to describe your professional background or your business. You could create a company profile in the business directory, publish your resume, or business blog. And last but not least, through contact management and groups, create networks to communicate with customers, businesses, and entrepreneurs. And with profiles, published content like resumes, blogs, and company listings could be linked to the profile. And as the basic rule of any social network, Exploride members create, administer, and join groups, choosing from many available categories. Listings in Exploride belong to a geographic area, usually a country, like England, which for our purposes we'll use a generic term for and call it a subdomain. Now, in the case of larger countries like the US, a state like California is a subdomain. So when one chooses a subdomain from the default or home page of Exploride, all the content that follows in every section will be from the chosen subdomain. So for example, if one chooses England as a subdomain, the property and housing section will display England property listings, with a drop-down box to filter listings in a specific city in England, like in this example, Brighton. Exploride is an advanced and comprehensive content publishing utility. It has an innovative and powerful search facility. It is a social and a professional networking utility well integrated with your published content. Exploride is entirely free to publish and use, and it is designed with search engine optimization considerations to help your listings and content achieve effective indexing by top search engines. Exploride for businesses and professionals. Promote your business or expertise for free. Create a rich media business profile which can be updated anytime for data specials, sales, menu, or any items that continually change. Chat with your customers through your company profile. Get contacted anonymously by email, also through your profile. Your email will remain confidential. Use Google Maps to identify your location so people don't have to search for your number, contact you, and ask for directions over the phone. Create a business blog, maybe related to your product or service. Link it to your profile and promote it through your profile. Post events or create listings to sell or rent property. Look for employees by posting available positions in the jobs section. Exploride for individuals. Create a rich personal profile and chat through it by using a chat widget. Post your resume and also chat through it. Look and apply for posted jobs. View local events and subscribe to receive event alerts sent weekly to your email in the events categories you're interested in. Buy or sell cars and autos section and browse the classifieds to buy or sell general items. Buy or sell apartments, houses, or look for roommates, all in the property section. Swap language skills with someone else. Find people with common interests. Post announcements, pet notices, lost and found. Look for members to join your band or post local gigs, all in the community flyer section. And finally, ways to promote your listing or profile. You can use the send to friend link in your listing detail or profile to send your listing's address to people. Or you could use the invite to join link. You could type in manually individual email addresses or import selected contacts from your Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo accounts. This information will remain confidential and will not be stored with Exploride. Also, you can download flyers and print them out with your profile address to display at your business, on counters and bulletin boards. Now keep in mind, the more traffic you bring in, the more views you generate for your listing, which translates to more business for you.